This joint is jumping. Seems like the entire Providence enrollment is on hand here. Only 30 miles separate these two schools. Kingston, Rhode Island, 30 miles from here in Providence. Let's go!
I want to see if we, as a team, as a family, to those brothers, can live completely in this moment. This first possession, this first half, this game is the only thing that matters in the world. It's truth. It's the only thing we can control. They're going to get our best effort today. All right, let's go.
Nathan Throne, here we go. Providence will be on the attack first. Zeke Montgomery at the foul. His corner way outside. He scores, and the Providence fans can take their seat. And they're trying to do. Oduro is inside, and the foul for Kim English. Oh, look out, look out. Carter, steal. Carter, down the lane. Hammer time. Boy, good defense. Great defense. In the corner, Floyd, they hit it right at the buzzer. Wow, tough shot off the glass. Boy, that was challenged by Montgomery. Gee, we got a good one, folks. Take a break. It's Providence holding off on their rivals from 30 miles away in Kingston, Rhode Island. It's Providence leading 35-32. Connection, lead out, Carter. The pop of three from C. Got it! And here's Pierre with an answer. Spin in the lane. Contested. Wow! Pierre got a window. Leader for Hopkins! This will go into the record books. Crowd out on its feet, enjoying this show.
Great win. We talked about it all week. These rivalry games, I don't even care what's on this stat sheet, except for Providence, 84, Rhode Island, 69. That's the only thing that matters.